The world of artificial intelligence has been revolutionized by innovations like OpenAI's ChatGPT, a model that has captivated millions with its conversational abilities. But could there be an unseen layer of complexity beneath the surface? Enter quantum computing, a field that promises to redefine the boundaries of what computers can achieve. Imagine a realm where superposition and entanglement allow for computations that are exponentially faster than current classical computers. As we delve into the intriguing intersection of these two cutting-edge technologies, we will explore whether there is a quantum secret hidden within ChatGPT. Are these two realms connected? And if so, how might they influence the future of AI? ChatGPT operates on a foundation of neural networks, specifically leveraging a transformer architecture that processes and generates human-like text. It learns from vast data sets, absorbing patterns, structures, and nuances of language. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its ability to understand context and generate coherent responses. However, its capabilities are bound by the limitations of classical computing. While it can handle numerous tasks, such as answering questions, creating content, and even simulating conversations, the speed and efficiency of these processes can be improved. This is where quantum computing enters the scene, offering a glimpse into a future where AI could operate at unprecedented speeds. Quantum computing is based on the principles of quantum mechanics, which govern the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. Unlike classical bits that represent either a 0 or a 1, quantum bits, or qubits, can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to superposition. This property allows quantum computers to process a vast amount of information concurrently, making them potentially powerful tools for solving complex problems. Additionally, entanglement, a phenomenon where qubits become interconnected, enables quantum computers to perform calculations that would be impossible for classical systems. As we explore these concepts, it becomes clear that the integration of quantum computing with AI could lead to groundbreaking advancements. The synergy between quantum computing and artificial intelligence is an area of active research. Quantum algorithms have the potential to enhance machine learning processes, allowing AI models to learn from data more efficiently. For instance, quantum computers could optimize training processes, enabling models like ChatGPT to develop faster and with greater accuracy. Imagine a scenario where ChatGPT could process millions of interactions in real time, refining its responses based on the latest data. This could lead to a new era of AI where conversational agents are not only more intelligent, but also more adaptable to user needs. Leading tech companies and research institutions are already exploring the integration of quantum computing with AI. For example, Google and IBM have made significant strides in developing quantum processors and algorithms that can potentially enhance machine learning models. Researchers are investigating quantum neural networks, which aim to combine the principles of quantum mechanics with neural network architectures. These developments hint at a future where AI models like ChatGPT could harness the power of quantum computing to revolutionize how we interact with technology. The implications of combining quantum computing with AI are vast. In healthcare, for instance, quantum-enhanced AI could analyze complex data sets to identify patterns in diseases, leading to faster diagnoses and personalized treatments. In finance, quantum algorithms could optimize trading strategies by processing vast amounts of market data in real time. Furthermore, in natural language processing, the integration of quantum computing could enable models like ChatGPT to understand context and sentiment at a much deeper level, resulting in more meaningful interactions. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Despite the exciting prospects, there are significant challenges to overcome. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, with many technical hurdles to address, such as error rates and qubit coherence times. Additionally, integrating quantum computing with existing AI frameworks poses its own set of challenges. Researchers must develop new algorithms and architectures that can leverage the unique properties of quantum systems while remaining compatible with classical systems. As we navigate these challenges, it is essential to remain optimistic about the potential breakthroughs that await us. If you find the intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence as fascinating as we do, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content on cutting-edge technology. Your support helps us continue exploring these exciting topics and sharing them with you. Now let's dive deeper into the future of AI and quantum computing. As we look toward the future, the convergence of quantum computing and AI holds immense promise. Imagine a world where conversational agents like ChatGPT can engage with users in real time, learning and evolving based on interactions across the globe. This could lead to more personalized experiences, where AI understands individual preferences and needs. Furthermore, as quantum technology matures, we may witness the emergence of entirely new applications that we cannot yet envision. The collaboration between these fields could unlock solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from climate change to healthcare. In conclusion, while the idea of a quantum secret within ChatGPT may sound like science fiction, the reality is that the intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field. As researchers continue to explore this synergy, we may soon see the fruits of their labor in the form of more powerful and intelligent AI systems. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are truly exciting. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows what remarkable advancements await us in the near future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of quantum secrets and AI.